Oh, okay.
All right.
It's a lot.
Get in your car and get moving.
That's right. From here, I think it's more like, 10 or so hours.
10, yeah, or 11, yeah, depending on, because it's right downtown Atlanta.
Right.
So we've made that drive many, many times. Bets, I know I'm asking you to look forward, but man, for weather,
Push
driving?
Pause. Push pause. Right now, push pause.
Don't go any further.
That's it. If we could just hold on to this right
out.
now, we don't need to know what's coming in the future because
Yeah.
things do get a little tricky. But right now, what you need to know is that we do have some lake snow alerts that are in place, and we have bitterly cold wind chills that are coming our way in the next 24 hours. And as far as what's changed down the pike a little bit, weekend snow is coming our way, and that is going to be ahead of the next temp plunge. That could be the biggest one yet for the season. Those are some pretty big headlines. But as far as the next few hours, we have brisk winds, and that's going to not only bring our temperatures down as cold air continues to move in, our wind chills are going to be in the basement. As a matter of fact, we will have sub-zero wind chills tomorrow morning, anywhere from right around 0 to 5 below to begin the day. And it doesn't look like we get much improvement through the afternoon because we have a frigid day that is on the way, as well as some lake effect snow that's going to be ongoing. And I think all of us have a chance to see some light snow showers tomorrow. You can definitely see our predominant wind flow out of the west across the Great Lakes region. That has been turning on the lake effect snow machine for all of the Great Lakes today. But just north of Lake Superior, you can see these clouds and the snow showers that are moving from east to west, the complete opposite direction. That is a sign that we have something stirring. And in fact, we do. Let's turn on our water vapor imagery. We can clean that up a lot. And you can see this little shot right here that's coming in. This is all water vapor. And that water vapor is basically a sign that we have some energy that's going to move in, and that will activate more widespread snow showers. It's also going to start to pivot our lake effect snow. So right now we have that west wind that is shooting the lake effect snow out over the lake and just coming into Lake and Ashtabula counties right now. As that next wave gets in here, that next shot of energy, we could see that turning a little bit more to the southeast, and that will open up the rest of the primary snow belt. So for right now, all the lake snow is kind of out in the middle of the lake and probably getting some light snow showers right along the lakeshore, Lake Ashtabula and Erie County, PA. That will start to become more widespread tonight, especially tomorrow and Wednesday. So the National Weather Service issued a winter weather advisory for Lake Geauga and Ashtabula counties. That's where we could have some impactful snow. But remember, this is primary snow belt territory. So part and parcel with winter is snow. Those folks definitely know how to deal with it. So if you're thinking, what on earth is going on out there? Well, let's take a look at your National Designer hour-by-hour forecast. Notice our temperatures are in white. The wind chills are in the pink here. And as we head through the night, you can see how that lake effect snow starts to aim right into the primary snow belt areas. Meanwhile, outside of that, partly cloudy skies with temperatures down in the single digits. Wind chills going, look at this, 5 to 10 below zero in the early morning tomorrow. It's going to be gusty, so please make sure, bring in your pets. Please make sure they have access to actual liquid water, and of course bundle up because it's going to be a frigid start to the day. By midday, here comes that shot of energy. We get widespread snow showers coming down across the area. This could add up to an inch across much of northern Ohio, but then we'll have another sweep coming through in the evening hours that may pop some more snow showers up during the evening commute, but it does look like that will also start to turn more lake effect snow into that primary snow belt. So as far as how much, well, you can see we're going with a general inch or so with that snow tomorrow afternoon, but the primary snow belt areas, we could be looking at that 3 to 6 inches across there, maybe an isolated area where we get 7 or 8 inches, but I think for the most part, that would probably be about it. Union Home Mortgage forecast, check this out. We see improving conditions Wednesday, more widespread snow on Thursday. We get above freezing on Friday. Now, when we're in this kind of a pattern, when we have a sharp temperature contrast, like the 20s to the 30s, you know something's up. And indeed, Saturday, we could get some snow in the area. We'll take a look at that coming up, but look what's on the other side of it. High single-digit temperatures for Tuesday of next week. Back to you.